We've all experienced those annoying, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm we call hiccups, but ever wondered what causes them? While the exact mechanism behind hiccups isn't fully understood, they're often triggered by factors like eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or sudden changes in temperature. Next time you're plagued by hiccups, try sipping water slowly or holding your breath to break the cycle. Have you discovered any hiccup remedies that work for you? Share them in the comments.